How to design a Shopify store. Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I will be showing you how you can design your own Shopify store to sell your products online. So let's get into it. First of all, what you need to do is you're going to actually go to your shopify.com. If you do not have an account on Shopify already, if you do not have a store, then you can create one by going to shopify.com. Shopify.com is an amazing e-commerce platform that allows you to create your store online for free and get started. You can also get a free trial on Shopify. You will be able to create your products. There is a Shopify store available that gives you a lot of different integrations. You'll be able to design and customize a lot of different templates that are available and themes that give you the best store. So let's get into it. If you already have a store, let me show you how to design it professionally. So once you get to your Shopify admin, you will have to go to your sales channel here and select online store. Inside online store, you're going to select themes. So here we have our Shopify theme. Now you can see it's the tone theme that is a default theme we get, but you can scroll down a little bit and you will get a theme library. Here we have some of the free themes available where we have tone, we have refresh, we have craft, and then we have more. You can click on the visit theme store and you'll be able to actually explore a lot of other themes available. You can see this is what a store looks like on Shopify. We will be able to customize it completely. You can add your products, you can customize the header and the footer too. So I have selected the dawn theme as well. Once you select a theme, then you will click on customize. So this is our editor on Shopify. This is where we design and customize our store. So first of all, let me show you. So at the top, we will get all of the pages that we have. We have a home page, product page, collection, collection list, pages, blogs, cart, and more. So you will select the page where you want to customize whatever page. So we'll actually customize the home page first. Once you select the page, then you will get different sections here. We can add different sections to it. So right now we have a header section added, then we have an image banner, featured products, and then we have a footer. So we'll customize it completely. And then we have our design here. So this is the theme settings and designs where I can customize the logo, colors, typography, layout, buttons. Then we have inputs, product cards, blog cards, badges, icons. So everything will be, edited right here. We'll go to the sections here. And in section, first of all, we have the header. So inside my header, if I want to add anything else, if I want to add a color scheme in the background, if I want to upload a logo, then we will select the header, click on the logo and select the logo from our computer. We can also customize the main menu because this is the main menu we have here. It'll show me all of the pages that we have on our store. So I don't want to change it. I want to show the main menu on my header. Then we have a desktop menu type. So it's a drop down. But if I want to go with a mega menu, then it will change the style from here. But we'll go with the drop down because this one actually looks more optimized. After that, we have a sticky header. So if you want to go with a sticky header or if you want to reduce the logo size, you can do that completely, or you can actually get rid of the sticky header. But I like the sticky header because whenever we go down, we still have access to the main menu and we still have access to all of the different options. Then we have some of the layouts and the margin options for the header. But for me, I think the header looks good. We have our store name and then I do not have a logo, so I'm just going to go with this one. And then we have at the top, we have a text which says, welcome to our store. Once the header is done, we can move on to the next section, which is the image banner. Now, image banner is the first thing that my visitors and my customers will see. So we need to edit it well. First of all, in image banner, we need to upload an image. We can go with 2 images or 1. I will go with 1 and I'll just click on select image. So this is where you upload your media. You will upload your files from your computer and you can also use some of the free images available on Shopify. What I'll do is I'll quickly upload some files and we'll use them on our website. So I have uploaded my image here because we have an accessory store. So this actually represents our brand. We have this shirt. So I have added this image, the first banner image for my store. And it looks pretty good. Now I can actually customize the image a little bit. If I want to add another image, we can do that. We have the layout, capacity, banner. It looks pretty good. And we also have the, it is centered positioned. So I'll go back now to the image banner. And in image banner, we have other blocks too. We have the text. Now in my text, what I'll do is I'll change the heading and add the name of my store. like so, and it will be shown here. The heading size is going to be large. Now I can move on to the details. Now we have details here, which is going to be a tagline. So I'll quickly add the tagline on under my store name. Okay, so this is our tagline that I have added. Now we have a button. So you click on the button here and it says shop all, or what I can go for is I can add buy now, whatever text you want to click here. If you want to go with such text, you will add it right here. The first link in the button, what happens is it's going to be the link to all my products, because this is the banner image. This is the first thing. If somebody clicks on shop all, they will be driven to my product page that I have. So that is why we'll go with the link here. But you can change the link if you want to. If you want to add another link, you can do that freely. Then we have some of the other button labels that we can add. But for now, I think the image banner looks good. Now we can move on to the next section, which is going to be the featured collection. Here, you will just add a collection from your products and your featured collection will be shown here. We can add another section, so click here and we can add a collection list, rich text, image banner, slideshow, multi-row, multi-column. Then we have email sign up, video, or more. Let's say I want to add a video in my homepage. So what I will do is I'll select the video option and a video will be added right here. Perfect. Now I can add another section if I want to. Let's say I wanted to add an image with the text, so I can do that. You select it and it's added right here onto your store. This is how you add a section, and at the bottom we have our footer. So the footer looks pretty simple. Within my footer too, what I can do is I can change the background, we can change the headings, we can add our social media links, we can add our country and region selector, language selector, payment method selector. So you can add them right here in your footer. So at the top, now it's actually really easy to customize. As I showed you, you just select any of the sections and then you can change the text, you can change the alignments, you can add links, you can add, photos and videos, anything you want to. So it's pretty much easy now. You will change the page now. You'll go to your collections page, you can go to your blog page and you can customize it really easily by just selecting any of the section and then editing out the heading and the padding, everything. So if you want to change the theme and if you want to design your website professionally, you want to keep in mind that your logo, your colors, your typography aligns with your brand. So you can go to the typography option here and you can change the font if you're not satisfied with it. Click on the change option and you can select the main font for the headings and for the body text too. So let's say I didn't want to go for this simple theme. Instead, I wanted to go with something like this. We have Amiri here, so I'll select that one and my font right here on my store will be changed. So you select it and you can see this is what it looks like. Okay, I can scroll down to check out others too. Let's say I wanted to go with this one. So you can see it will change the text. And this way you will be able to customize the font. Just click on select and that font will be selected for your store. Similarly, we'll be able to customize the buttons on our website. We'll be able to customize the media, of course, upload all the photos and videos. We can customize the icons, the badges, brand information, social media icons, everything can be customized and edited with our website we're creating on Shopify. And it also depends on your theme that you have selected, that how your website will look like and what are the different things you can customize or not. So you can see this is how I will change the pages now. When you're editing with Shopify, make sure to click on this save button at the top once you do something so that all of the changes are saved. If you want to edit your website with coding, you can click on these three dots, click on edit code, and you'll be able to actually edit everything with coding too. But this is actually a beginner's tutorial. And as a complete beginner, you can even customize a very professional website by using all of these tools, which is simple, select, drag and drop option that we can use. So this is how you will customize your website. Once it's done, you can get a desktop or a mobile preview of your store. You can work on it as you create your store and add more and more products, and this way you will have a professional store at the end. Now we can go back to the customization options here, and here we also have pages, navigation, and preferences for our online store that we have on Shopify. customize it completely, and at the end it will look something like this. And you can see it's a very professional looking website that we can create with Shopify. So yeah guys, I hope that I was a big help, and now you know how to get started with Shopify and get started with your own store and design it. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.